In this lesson, we will look at the fuses that are used to protect an aircraft's electrical system. There are three types of fuse commonly used on aircraft. They are the cartridge fuse, the high rupture capacity or HRC fuse, and the current limiter fuse. Fuses cannot be reset and must be discarded and replaced if they blow or rupture. We will begin by looking at the cartridge fuse. The cartridge type fuse consists of a tubular glass or ceramic body with a fuse element suspended between two brass end caps. The fuse element may be made from tinned copper wire, silver wire, or electro-tinned zinc. Zinc is generally used in heavy-duty circuits. Fuses are usually fitted in fuse holders with screw-on caps. The fuse is a tight fit in the end cap, so as the cap is taken off, the fuse will come out of the holder with it. A fuse blows when the current flowing through it is sufficient to melt the wire or strip element, the time taken varying inversely with the current. All fuses are rated at a specific current value in amperes. The rating indicates the current they will carry continuously or intermittently without unduly heating up or deteriorating. The rating of a fuse for a particular circuit is such that the fuse will blow at a current level below the safety limit of the equipment or cable being protected. For this reason, only a fuse of the specified current rating should be used in a particular circuit. The ratings of aircraft fuses can vary between 0.5 and 500 amperes. At the higher ratings, high rupture capacity fuses are used. The high rupture capacity, or HRC fuse, is an improvement on the cartridge type fuse. It is used mainly in high current rated circuits. It consists of a tubular ceramic barrel within which a number of identical fuse elements in parallel are connected to end caps of plated brass or copper. The barrel is filled with powdered marble or clean quartz sand to damp down the explosive effect of the arc setup on rupture of the fusible elements. The high rupture capacity fuse has the following advantages over the normal glass cartridge type. It blows at a more accurate current flow. It blows without flame. It does not deteriorate with age. It is more robust. And it is not affected by ambient temperature. Current limiters, or air fuses, are fuses which are again used in high current circuits. They are designed in such a way that they can carry a considerable overload current for a short period of time before blowing or rupturing. Their application is confined to the protection of heavy-duty power distribution circuits. The output of a transformer rectifier unit will be a prime location for a current limiter to be used. Transformer rectifier units are described fully in the alternating current series of lessons. A typical current limiter incorporates a fusible element, which is, in effect, a single strip of tinned copper, drilled and shaped at each end to form lug-type connectors, with the central portion wasted to the required width to form the fusing area. The central portion is enclosed by a rectangular ceramic housing, on one side of which there is an inspection window, which, depending on the type, may be glass or mica. The wasted portion can be viewed through this window, so it can be seen when the fuse has blown. If it is necessary to isolate a particular circuit by the removal of the fuse, in order that the system be made safe, or for work to be carried out, a dummy fuse or fuse holder should replace the fuse which has been removed to warn personnel not to fit a normal fuse. Dummy fuses are manufactured to standard fuse dimensions from red plastic, the centre portion being square in section with corrugated sides to facilitate identification. To distinguish the dummy fuse when it is in the holder, a red streamer is attached to it. That is the end of the lesson. You should remember the following key points. Fuses cannot be reset and must be discarded and replaced if they blow or rupture. Fuses are rated in amperes. Current limiters are designed in such a way that they can carry a considerable overload current for a short period of time before blowing or rupturing. Dummy fuses are red in colour with corrugated sides. When in use, they should have a red streamer attached.